Hey guys, if you're playing Fortnite and you encounter the message "you were removed from the match due to your IP VPN machine or cheating," then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to explain the error message and show you how you can fix it. Unfortunately, there is no one solution fits all, so you will need to follow each of these steps to find the one that works for you. First thing you want to do is launch the Epic Games client, and inside of here you want to come into Library and then scroll down to find the Fortnite game. Select these three little dots here and come down into Manage. Then you can simply press this Verify button next to Verify Files. Just wait a couple minutes for this to complete, and this is going to check for any corrupt files. Next thing we're going to do is connect to Google's public DNS servers, and you can do this by coming to the Start menu and searching for Control Panel. Select the Control Panel icon, and you want to make sure View by is set to Category. And then we can just select View Network Status and Tasks. On the left hand side, select Change Adapter Settings, and then you need to find the network that you're currently connected to. For me, it's this one. And you want to right click it and come into Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP and come into Properties. And you want to change where it says Obtain DNS Server Address automatically. Select Use the following DNS server addresses, and you want to type in 8888 and 8844. And then just press OK to save the changes. And then we can close out of this, and the next thing we're going to do is come to our Start menu, and you're going to search for Registry Editor. Select the Registry Editor icon, and you want to expand where it says HKey Current User. Inside of Software, inside of Epic Games, inside of the Unreal Engine, and you should see a folder called Identifiers. You just want to right click on this folder and select Delete and press Yes. The next thing you want to do is to disable your VPN. You can do this by coming to the Start menu and searching for Settings. Hit the Settings tab, come inside of Network and Internet, underneath VPN, and you want to make sure this says not connected, and if you're connected to a VPN, just press the disconnect button. Next, you want to come back to your Start menu and search for CMD. And right click on the command prompt and make sure to run as administrator. Inside of this black window, you want to type in the following commands and hit enter after each one. So the first thing you want to type in is netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. Then you can type in ipconfig space /flushdns and hit enter. And then you can type in ipconfig space /release and hit enter. And then you want to type in ipconfig space /renew and hit enter. And lastly, you can type in netsh space int space ip space reset and hit enter. Then we can close out of this command prompt. And the last thing we're going to do is come to the Start menu and search for Run. Hit the Run icon, and inside of here you want to type in $sign local app data $sign and hit enter. And then scroll down to find the Epic Games Launcher folder. Come inside of here, inside of Saved, and you want to right click where it says Webcast. You want to right click this and select the trash icon. If you get this error message saying that you can't delete the folder, it's because the application is running in the background. So just come to the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard, and then search for Epic at the top here. And you want to right click and close down any references referring to Fortnite or the Epic Games. So I can just right click and press End Task. Then if we come back to our folder and try again, this will now delete successfully. Now hopefully by following all of these steps, that's now fixed the error message. But if you still are experiencing problems, please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.